Hi guys, welcome to Measure Marketer. In this Pixel Mastery program, you learn everything you need to learn about Pixel and to run successful Facebook campaigns. Majority of the people who get into our Facebook ads program are people who are running successful campaigns but don't know how to scale their campaigns. If you're really a Facebook marketer, have been working with Facebook campaigns for several years and you really think you want to scale your campaigns or you have to scale your campaigns, remember the only way you can do that is by learning Facebook Pixel. The most powerful thing about Facebook is their machine learning algorithm. Remember, it's a program. And whenever you talk about program, a program can be given inputs and program will do what it's supposed to do. Remember, Facebook is not created for us. The targeting options that we have in Facebook is for everybody. All the million advertisers and more who use Facebook ads, they get to use the same features. If you go to targeting, you'd be able to target the same demographics, same locations, same languages, devices, and the detailed targeting, which includes the demographics, behavior, and interest. The reason why everybody have the same features is because Facebook wants to create a competition, and in competition or whenever there's a competition, Facebook thrives, and that's exactly what Facebook wants to do. But if you want Facebook to work for you, not in general, if you want Facebook to work for you, then you need to train Facebook to work for you. And how do you do that? By effectively using Pixel, because we use Pixel as a gateway to send the data points that we need so that Facebook will understand who's important to us and what business objectives is what we expect to drive through these campaigns. And that is only going to happen when you learn this Pixel. In fact, without Pixel, your campaigns will be second rated campaigns. You'd not be able to effectively target people who do some certain actions on your website. You'd not be able to tell Facebook, hey Facebook, I want to target only those people who completed this particular action on my site, only those people who come and add to cart, only those people who come and buy a product whose worth is more than 5,000 rupees. I would not be able to create a customized remarketing audience of people who are high value customers or people who purchase high value goods or high product value goods. I would not be able to use the value optimization feature of Facebook. I would not be able to use the conversion optimization ad delivery technology of Facebook. All I'll be able to do is the predefined settings that Facebook gives me. I would only have to work and fight with those features only. But you can really scale your campaigns and you can really drive incremental revenue if you could only learn Pixel. So in this Pixel Mastery course, you learn everything that you need to become a Facebook Pixel, ninja. What you would be able to bring to table is something that people with 10 years of experience with Facebook ads cannot comprehend, right? So you'd learn about how to create custom conversions. You learn about how to create custom conversion with a custom event, how to create a custom conversion with a custom event and parameters, how to create custom conversion with standard event and parameter. What are standard events? How do you implement them, right? How do you send parameters with custom events? What are JSON objects, JavaScript objects? Anytime you want to send any information to Facebook with the help of Pixel, you put them into a JavaScript object, and this object is passed in the function as a parameter. So how do you send all these things? What is the objective of custom conversion? How do you create website custom audiences? What type of website custom audiences you can create? Can I create an audience of people who come and go to 3 pages? Can I create an audience of only those people who come through UTM campaign, UTM source, UTM medium? Only those people who arrive at my website from a particular referrer. Only those people who arrive to my site for 3 times. Only those people who buy from me 2 times. Only those people who on an average has bought more than 5,000 rupees, or only those people who purchased twice on my website. Only those people who came to my website twice and completed those particular action. So you can do amazing remarketing audiences, provided if you can learn to use Pixel. Remember, I've worked with campaigns who spend over 25, 30, 40 lakhs a month. And these campaigns are scalable or become scalable only if I plan Pixel in the whole Facebook marketing strategy. So I am creating this entire Pixel mastery course with the basics is for free. You can absolutely go through and learn what is required, at least to begin with Facebook. Not just begin, but at least you'll be able to implement Facebook in a way which works wonders for you. You might not be able to use effectively unless you go through the entire advanced videos, with the close to 25 to 28 videos, but each video is thoroughly in depth, which will really add value, and your whole data collection strategies will change. And when you can improve your whole data collection strategies, eventually you'd be able to use these same data points and be able to run successful Facebook campaigns. Remember, Facebook targeting is incomplete without Pixel. Facebook targeting is always second rated unless you bring pixel in your Facebook targeting strategy. So, you know, get your heads up, right? This is going to be exciting. This is practical. This is not easy. What I would, you know, appreciate is please make sure that you implement whatever we are teaching you here. We'll give you the whole codes as well. If you're not good with JavaScript, it's okay. At least the codes that I'm giving you in the whole advanced mastery, you copy those codes and implement them using Pixel so you can send amazing data about anything that people do on your site or any engagement that people have on your site. I would see you inside the video, but get excited. You need access to certain things that you would complete in the basic program that I'm giving you over 10 videos, I think, right? You can just go through and yeah. So I will see you inside the program. Thank you so much.